Hi everybody, welcome to PED-110 LN12 Fit and Well for Life. I'm your instructor, Brian Kaprowski, and it's great to have you in this course. So in this video today, I want to go over the class outline, how it's conducted, and the assignments that you will be required to do each week. So first of all, I'm sharing my screen here with you, as you can see. I want to go over each of these tabs that are listed here. So let's start off with the Start Here tab. Okay, so and the first folder we see on here is a course information folder. When we click on that, it's important that you review each of these steps. There are 6 located here. So this step contains this syllabus. Please look at that very closely and make sure that you understand everything that this course entails. Step 2, this is the expectations in the course. You need a reliable internet connection due to this class being online. This here contains a review of the course content and the resources. This is the course calendar. This is also embedded within a course tab, which I'll go over here in a little later, and it's also located in the syllabus as well. These are some important contacts. And down here, this is an important step that you will need to complete by February the 15th, where you're going to have to complete the 3 assignments that are listed in this folder. So let's go back and look at those. Okay, so on February the 15th, it is required that you take this PED-110 course information quiz, that you go in here to the consent form and accountability statement. You click on there and make sure that you complete the document inside of there. And then I would need you to complete the academic integrity tutorial, watch that video, and then take the quiz. So that is a requirement for this class for you to be enrolled. If you do not complete this step by February the 15th, the registrar's office will automatically drop you from this class. And I don't want to see that happen to you, so make sure that you complete these 3 items that are listed here. Okay, let's look at the next tab. That's the announcement tab. When you click on that, there will be announcements for this course. So anytime that I send an announcement out, which is posted on there, you receive an email, and it will also be listed on there. What will be on there and what I'll be sending you is some videos which I'll be making weekly that will explain to you the assignments that are coming up, and other important class information will also be posted on that or in that tab as well. The next tab listed here, it contains the syllabus. So I wanted to place the syllabus in an easy to find tab, which I included right here. So if you have any questions, you can easily refer to it. I have the syllabus open, and I just want to briefly go over it with you. But what I would encourage you is to thoroughly go over it more in depth so you have a really good understanding. So again, this is Fit and Well for Life. It's a 12-week class. So this class is going to be very condensed. So there are going to be a lot more assignments that are going to be due per week than if you took the 16-week version of this class. Okay, this is my email. And that's also my preferred method of contact. What's important to note here, if you email me, I will reply to you within 24 hours during the business week, Monday through Friday, and within 48 hours if submitted after 5 p.m. on Friday, and that would extend through Sunday on the weekend. The course description here, this course is designed to investigate and apply the basic concepts and principles of lifetime physical fitness and other health-related factors. The emphasis is placed on wellness through the study of nutrition, weight control, stress management, and consumer facts on exercise and fitness. Okay. There isn't a physical textbook that you will be required to purchase in this course. Your tuition included an online text in this course. And there's some, if you want some information on how to access the text, as you will have to register yourself, you can click on this link here and it will provide you with information on how to get that text and how to get into the class materials that way. Scroll down here. This goes over some class attendance guidelines. Okay, so the grading scale is pretty standard across CCCC. These are the areas of evaluation. So your concept labs, your Learn Smart activity, and the written assignments will count for 50% of your grade. The quizzes will account for 25% of your grade. The exercise logs will consist of 15% of your grade, and the final project, which is in 2 parts, will be 10% of your final grade in the course. Okay, scroll down here. That's our COVID-19 policy. Okay, so this is important here. So you can see it's highlighted here in yellow. This is my late assignment policy. So assignments submitted after the due date will be accepted with a 10% penalty per day after the due date with prior notice and a valid excuse. So you can submit the assignments in late, but there'll be a 10% penalty for each day that it is late. So past due assignments will only be available for 1 week after the scheduled due date. So you have 1 week to complete any outstanding assignments, and after that 1 week has expired, you will no longer be able to turn that assignment in, and you will receive a 0 on that. Okay, real important to note, I'm just trying to emphasize this fact. Make sure that you complete all the items in the Start Here tab by February the 15th. Okay, make sure you review all the previous content covered in the course information folder, and I want you to go back to the Start Here tab, which I just showed you, and to complete the following by the 15th. Remember that PED-110 course information quiz, the consent form and accountability statement, and the academic integrity tutorial. Okay, here's the course calendar that is listed here. Okay. All right. Let's get into the course content tab here. Okay, so in this course, you're going to be required to complete exercise logs. Okay, and these logs are going to be due every so often throughout the semester. And the first log is going to be due on March the 3rd, and the one following will be the 17th, March 31st, April the 7th, April the 21st, and April the 28th. So let's look at these logs here. Okay, so what I'm going to ask for you to do is download these exercise log here. Okay, and I need you to complete this every week in the course. Okay, and I want you to start on this log no later than Friday, February the 12th. So make sure that you're starting it within this coming week. Okay, so with this exercise log, I need you to record your resting heart rate. I need you to record that when you first wake up in the morning 3 times per week. And easiest way to take that is by taking your radial pulse, which is located on the thumb side of your wrist, where you take 2 fingers and you place that on the thumb side. And you need to take that pulse for at least 1 minute. I need you to record your body weight in the morning that you're going to turn in the lab. I need you to take your body mass index and your BMI. In order to learn how to do this step, please copy this URL, paste it in your web browser, and it will provide you the steps on how to conduct this process. I need you to indicate your active aerobic activity. So I need you to provide the name of the activity, the time involved. For example, if you walk Monday, Wednesday, Friday for 20 minutes each day, or you can just state the date. But I need to know the day or the date, and I need to know the length of time. If you perform any kind of stretches, I need you to indicate them as well for the pre and post stretches prior or after activity. I need you to list any recreational activities that you are engaged in, the name of the activity, time involved. If you're involved in any sporting activity, please indicate the name of the activity and the time involved. And if you participate in a weight training program, you might have a bench at your home with dumbbells or barbells, or maybe you're going into the gym. Please indicate the name of the exercises as well as the number of sets and reps you perform there. Okay, so complete this and then save that on your computer and then download it into this folder here. So you're going to click on that folder here. Remember, the third is the first one I'm going to be due, and you're going to browse your local files and then you're going to upload that onto your computer. Okay. Okay. Also listed in the course content, really important, are going to be your concepts. So these are going to be your assignments. Okay. And your first set of assignments that are going to be due on February the 17th are concepts 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. And when we click on here, okay, these are concepts 1 and 2. This goes over as a lab, has key terms, the quiz. Remember, you're going to use your online course textbook to help study and answer these questions. Okay, so complete all of those. Okay, and then remember also on the 17th, you're going to have to complete concepts 3 and 4. So all these assignments as well. Okay. Okay. The very bottom here, there is a final project in the class. There's 2 parts. Okay, it's important that you start working on this project by March 31st. Okay, make sure that you click on here and you click this document, which will open up the project, and you read it over very thoroughly what the final project consists of. Okay, it's 2 parts. This is part 1, so you need to begin working on this March 31st. Answer all of this, and as the time comes, we get closer to it, also go over it in a little bit more detail, and then you have to answer this part of the final project. So those will be due on May the 5th. Okay. Course resources. This here with each concept, those are PowerPoints. If you want to look at those in addition to the course textbook, you can do that. Again, I separated the due dates that are due in the class, so it's easy for you to find what is coming up and due. As you can see on the 15th, the Start Here tab assignments are going to be due, and then February the 17th, your concepts 1, 2, 3, and 4 are going to be due, and then the following week, the 24th, concepts 5, 6, 7, 8. So this is going to be your guide through the course. Okay, so that pretty much summarizes what I need for you to do. On this announcement, there's also instructions on how to access and register for the online course textbook. Please follow those instructions. If you have any questions or concerns in the class, please feel free to reach out to me anytime, and I will respond to you in a timely manner. Again, it's great to have you in this course, and I'm really looking forward to going through its entirety with you throughout the semester. Take care. Bye-bye.